In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a regular page to a CMS page in Framer. Converting a standard page into a CMS page is really useful when you want your content to be dynamic and easy to manage, especially for things like blogs, case studies, product listings, or any repeated layout that shares the same structure but different content. Instead of manually duplicating and editing each page, a CMS page lets you connect your design to a collection of data, so updates become much faster and more consistent. First, open your project in Framer and make sure you're on the page you want to convert. Take a moment to confirm that this is a good candidate for a CMS page. Usually, it should have a clear, repeatable layout, a hero section, a title, some body text, maybe an image or two. Anything that you can imagine swapping out for different items, like different blog posts or products, is a strong sign that this should live as a CMS page. Now, with that page selected in the left sidebar, look for the 3 vertical dots next to the page name. These dots are the More Options menu for that specific page. It can be easy to overlook, especially if you're focused on the canvas, so make sure you're looking directly at the page list or the project tree on the left. Hover over the page name, and the 3 dots should appear. Click on those 3 dots to reveal a small drop-down menu of options related to that page. In the menu that opens, you'll see several actions you can take. Among these, look for the option labeled Convert to CMS page. This is the command that tells Framer you want to change this static page into a CMS-powered one without having to rebuild the layout from scratch. Go ahead and click on Convert to CMS page. Once you do this, Framer will convert the page and connect it to a CMS collection. Your layout will remain, but now it's ready to pull in dynamic content from your CMS items. From here, you can start binding your text layers, images, and other elements to fields in the collection, so each CMS item can reuse the same design automatically. And that's it. By clicking the 3 dots and choosing Convert to CMS page, you've turned a one-off design into a scalable dynamic template.